So what do you do if you buy too many 9-volt batteries? You of course check if the 18-volt modification really works. Now we've all heard it a million times that the EMG 81 or EMG in general is kind of way too overcompressed. It lacks that natural feel, and a million other things of that sort. We've recently done an experiment to see how overcompressed these EMGs actually are. You can find a link to that hovering right somewhere above me and in the description down below as well. But every problem has a solution, right? And what's a solution that we come across on most of the platforms? It's about trying out the 18-volt mod. Now let's first try to understand what exactly the 18-volt modification actually is. Rather than using a single 9-volt battery, like how we power most of our EMGs or Seymour Duncan blackouts out there, we essentially use two 9-volt batteries which are connected in serial with each other. So this essentially means there is an 18-volt which is running through the particular pickup. Now just for reference sake, this is how it actually looks like when you install it in the guitar, and to the other side you can see how exactly the circuit functions. So make sure you pause here, take a screenshot, and make sure what you're getting into before you actually put the solution into your guitar. Now on most of the platforms we've kind of heard that this opens up the guitar, it kind of brings back the naturality of the sound, and it gives you a bit more of that ringiness, makes it less compressed, blah blah blah. But today we're gonna put this solution to the test and you guys are gonna be our judges. To make this experiment quite interesting, we're gonna make it more like a blind test. I'll play the same riff back to back, once on the 9-volt and once on the 18-volt, and you guys would be the judges to see if you actually figure out that there's a difference and could actually pick out which the 18-volt modification is. So let's start things off with the clean tone. Now I'll give you guys a second to think about it, just weigh out, was it A, was it B, which sounded better for you guys. So now I'll let you guys know the answer. It was clip A which had the 18-volt modification to it, and clip B was the normal 9-volt. Were you guys able to catch it? If not, that's okay. We have another test headed your way, and this time it's with distortion. So were you guys able to figure out any difference between the two tracks? It's one thing that clips might sound different when it isn't clean, and a bit different when distortion is added to the mix. So are you guys ready to guess which of these clips had the 18 volt mod to it? The answer is again clip A. Clip B was a normal sound which had the 9 volt. So what do you guys think? Does the 18 volt modification actually add character to the pickups as a lot of sites and a lot of musicians suggest? Or is it in such a way that you guys couldn't even figure out that there's a difference between the two tracks? Let us know in the comments down below to what you feel this modification kind of added to the tone of the guitar. Does it even make a difference? Is it worth installing it? It's for you to decide. And there's another bigger question as well. Which one of these tones did you actually prefer? Which of these do you think would kind of sound better for your band? Let us know that in the comments down as well. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon. We kind of have a lot of videos with experimentation, funny videos and original content as well. And for all you people wondering which guitar this actually is, yes, we have a vlog, kind of profiling how exactly to make a custom guitar, sort of. So you can find it somewhere here and in the description as well. And as always, stay metal.